Hey, I just wanted to go over a couple of memory aids that might help you as you go throughout the forearm, because this is the hardest lab of the entire term. So, what I want to start on is on the flexors of the forearm. If you take your hand and you put the number 4 on it, and you put this knuckle of your thumb onto your medial epicondyle. Your fingers come out across right here in this sort of a pattern. This follows your superficial muscles of your flexors of your forearm. Pro, flex, palm, flex. I'm going to do that again. Pro, flex, palm, flex. So pro is for pronator teres. Flex is for flexor. Now look, if I look at flexor, right, I'm on my thumb side right here, if you can see that, my thumb side right here. So that's my flexor carpi, because it's going to go right down to that thumb side on the wrist, and that's radialis. So pronator teres, flexor carpi, radialis. Palm is for the palmaris longus. And then over here on my pinky, coming down that medial side towards my pinky on the other arm is our flexor carpi ulnaris. Okay, so pro, flex, palm, flex, pronator teres, flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus, and flexor carpi ulnaris. So I hope that helps just a little bit in trying to get some of the flexors of the forearm down. Those are our superficial ones, and then we'll go into the digitorums.